Hi guys, today is Sunday. We're gonna have our breakfast at the original Pancake Kitchen. Let's go. The original Pancake Kitchen is off Hindley Street near Rundle Mall in Adelaide. This is the front cover of the menu of the Pancake Kitchen. Look, there's burgers, fries, pancakes, and waffles, and salads, and so much more. Look, there are the drinks. There's so much to choose from. There's shakes, cold drinks, hot drinks, crepes, waffles, ice cream, sundaes, and so much more. Delicious stuff. Look, there are their signature pancakes. Lots of sweet stuff. The Jamaican pancake, the lemon and sugar, blueberries, strawberries, and jubilee. Here are the all-day breakfasts. German feast, Canadian feast, farmer's feast, mozzarella pancakes, egg benedict, ham and steak, pineapple, Stockman's brekkie. Here is a submarine sandwich. First you need to pick your meat, then pick your sauce and pick your free toppings. Next is a superhero. There is also burgers and fries. Look, there's a 1 kilogram burger challenge. They've even got salads in a pancake shop. There's vegans pancakes as well. Here is the kids menu. There's Alice Surprise, Queen of Hearts, and Mad Hatter. There's sweet pancakes, hedgehog, Jabberwock, Tweedledee, and White Rabbit.
I've ordered a banana and Nutella crepes and Cajun chicken. I ordered a regular stack and some tea.
Right here I've got the iced chocolate with ice cream on top.
And right now I'm going to make my tea because they don't serve tea. They don't make it like it's like you have to make it by yourself.
This is really good because it's got lots of chocolate syrup in it. So right now I'm eating the ice cream and it's quite good because there's cocoa powder on it.
Right now I have to add my sugar and then I start drinking.
Yeah. I've ordered the farmer's feast which has 2 pancakes, I think. 2 hash browns.
Thank you.
2 bacons and 2 fried eggs.
I had the regular stuff. It has 3 pancakes and some whipped butter on top.
So here I've got the crepes with bananas and Nutella. And here I've got the Cajun chicken, which is chicken, potato, and salad. And this is the burger, chicken burger, with fries on the side.
I've ordered the scrambled eggs to go in my pancakes.
This is really good. It's got lots of Nutella, which I like, and banana.
Let's tap it.
So this is the scotch fillet. So it's got the scotch fillet here, and then the mushroom sauce, and then the potatoes and the salad. This is really good, especially with the mushroom sauce.
Let's try my scrambled eggs. It's actually pretty good.
Really good. I'm having this breakfast because I'm not hungry.
But I'm super hungry. My brother is eating for me. Bro, I don't think I will be able to finish this. Can you have half?
Great. But my tummy's really full from trying lots of new stuff.
I'm too full to eat anything, but the meal was great. I would recommend this place to other people because it's a 10 out of 10.
I'll definitely recommend this to people who like pancakes, chocolate, and milkshakes, and it may be burgers, steaks, all of that. That's all from us today. See you next time.
Catch you later.